Now, a massive blaze was reported from a mall at Greater Noida, right next to Delhi. In an attempt to escape the raging fire, an individual jumped from the building, injuring his head and spinal cord in the process. Now, 2 others were seen hanging from the parapet. The victim has been rushed to the hospital. 3 people have been injured and the fire has been doused for now. Meanwhile, the initial reports suggest that the fire originated from a short circuit. Ila, my colleague, joins me live on the broadcast for more inputs on this. Ila, good evening. As we talk about this shocking incident that has been reported from Greater Noida, there are also bigger questions about the lapses in safety as well. Tell us the latest that you know so far.
Well, absolutely. Right now, Nivedna, I am present at Greater Noida's Galaxy Plaza, where this massive fire broke out in the afternoon. You can see those are the windows from where the people jump and save their life. 2 people, a girl and boy, jumped from here. Some civilians also helped them by putting up mattresses and trying to help them. And we are knowing that the fire started on the 3rd floor only, and the cause of fire, as per sources, is a short circuit in the AC. I'm being joined by a eyewitness who helped these people escape as well. भैया, यहाँ पर कोई निकलने का रास्ता या कोई सुविधा नहीं थी क्या?
नहीं, यहाँ से 3 रास्ते हैं निकलने के, 3 से 4 रास्ते हैं और उन्होंने प्रयास किया निकलने का, बट लेकिन फायर इतनी ज़्यादा थी और सबसे बड़ा इशू ये था कि धुआं बहुत ज़्यादा था।
फिर कैसे निकले वो लोग?
उन्होंने, जब उनका जो फ्रंट है ना, वहाँ पे मेन आग लगी थी, जो उनका फ्रंट है ऑफिस का, तो उन्होंने बैक साइड उनकी विंडो है, वहाँ से निकलने का उन्होंने प्रयास किया। लड़का और लड़की दोनों विंडो पे आके वहाँ पे लटक गए और उसके बाद हमने मैट्रेस डाले, वहाँ पे गद्दे डलवा दिए 10 से 15। उसके बाद बाइकें वगैरह वहाँ पे पार्किंग थी वो भी हटवा दिए गए। उसके बाद वहाँ से पहले लड़की कूदी, उसके बाद लड़की कूदने के बाद उसके हल्का सा बैक में थोड़ा इशू आया है और उसके बाद लड़का कूदा, उसके हल्का से पैर में चोट लगी है और सर में। तो स्थिति पूरी नॉर्मल है और मैंने उन दोनों लड़का और लड़की को हॉस्पिटल पहुँचवा दिया।
और कितने लोग फंसे थे
टोटल 5 लोग थे। ये 5 लोगों की स्थिति बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है, जिसमें से 3 लोग तो बिल्कुल एकदम फिट हैं। बाकी इन 2 जो बच्चे खिड़की पे लटके थे, इनको थोड़ा इशू हुआ है।
So around 3 people got injured, and 1 boy and 1 girl got more injuries than the others. They jumped from this particular window. They break the glass and jumped from this window as the fire started. And the people are saying that it was due to the short circuit, but it is yet to be ascertained, as the fire department and police is investigating the matter, and the injured are being sent to the hospital. Over to you.
Right, Ila, thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast and also getting us that reaction as far as how this unfortunate incident unfolded.